Hello everyone. Are you interested to know like how much money you can make if you have a $175,000 of stock portfolio? If the answer is yes, then this video is definitely for you. So in today's video, I'm gonna review my $175,000 of stock portfolio, and I'll show you like last month how much money I made from my stock portfolio, which is stocks that I'm actively looking at, and what's the strategy that I'm following to my upcoming months. So if you are interested about investing and want to have some better insights like how investing can help you to make money passively, then you should watch this video at the very end, because at the very end I'll also share some tips like how you can start your own investment journey. So without further delay, let's start the video. I have logged into my investment account. So I'm in Canada, and I am currently using Wealthsimple because Wealthsimple is pretty easy to use. And if you are a beginner investor, then you should choose a platform where you feel confident and it's not that complicated to actually learn about. So at the very top, if you can notice here, it's my current stock portfolio value, which is $177,188. And if we see my all-time return, all-time I have gained 51.19%. In monetary value, it is 59,990. We can just round it and call it like $60,000 that I have made passively from my investments. So that's the all-time return. So at the very beginning of today's video, I talked about like monthly basis breakdown, like this month how much money I made from my stock portfolio. That is the main topic of today's video. So if I change this time frame to 1 month, here you're gonna see the exact number. So this month my portfolio is up almost like 9%, 8.75%, and in terms of monetary value, it is $14,252. So it's all passive earning that I made, which is a great feeling. So it's all about the compound effect. So once you have a portfolio like this 150,000 or $175,000, then you will be amazed like how much money you can make passively every month, because now everything is adding up and working in your favor. So, and let me give a better understanding about my account. So basically under this Wealthsimple account, I do have some subsections. One is TFSA. So TFSA stands for tax-free savings account. So the beauty of TFSA is that you don't have to pay any taxes on your gains. So your money can grow with very fast. So that's why if you have the option to have this TFS account or any tax free account, first you need to max out that account, and then if you have some extra money, then you can invest under the different other accounts like your personal accounts, or if you have some retirement accounts, you can just invest your money in there. So let me show you my TFSA growth. So under TFSA, I am holding all the good shares. Like I'm from a tech background, so that's why my portfolio is tech centric. So here you can see stocks like Apple, Amazon, Google. I have both US stocks and the Canadian stocks too. So this past month, my TFSA has grown by 8%, which is $5,200. Now I'm gonna go back and show you the same thing about my non-registered or personal account. So non-registered account, I invested under this account once my TFS is maxed out. So it's basically I have to pay taxes on my gains. But if you're holding your stocks for a long time, maybe 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, then the tax bracket is way less than comparing to the your actual tax bracket. So that's why if you are a long-term investor, you don't have to worry that much of taxation. So here my non-registered account in 1 month, it has grown almost like the same 7.13%, which is like $5,618. So that's my non-registered account growth for this month. And I'm also holding some cryptocurrencies too, because I believe in the diversification. So I have created video on this, like how I have diversified my portfolio, where I have invested under ETFs, then some big tech stocks and some growth stocks, and then some very volatile things like cryptocurrencies. Because at the very end of the day, we have to think about like our risk tolerance. We have to take risk. Without risk, we can't make good gains. So that's why I have invested under crypto. A few portion of my portfolio is under the crypto, so that I can have a very high return, which gonna help my portfolio grow. So in 1 month, my crypto investment has grown by 17.97, almost like 18%. So here, $3,427 I have gained from my crypto investment. So when I'm talking about crypto, I am basically investing under two cryptocurrencies. One is BTC, Bitcoin, and the another one is Ethereum. Beside that, I have also, here you will be amazed like how many crypto I'm holding is quite a lot. So basically, I'm holding a small portion of other cryptocurrencies, just for we can call it fun, or being optimistic. Because if you think about it, in 2012, in 2013, the Bitcoin was less than $1, and now it's more than 100,000 USD. So who knows, maybe in few years, in 5 or 10 years, maybe from the list of my current holding, some of the coins can make at least a few, like a few coins will make a good returns, and which gonna help my portfolio to grow. So that's a quick summary of my current stock portfolio. I have shown you the monthly basis gain that I have made from my investment, and these earnings are all passive. All right, so now at this point of today's video, I'm gonna talk about the activities that I have performed in May 2025. So I'm gonna click here under activity section, and at the very beginning of May 1st, I have reinvested the dividends that I got from my TD Bank investment. So I have TD shares under my TFS accounts and also my non-registered or personal account. So on April 30, I received like $24 of dividends, which I reinvested again on May 1st, 2025 under my account. So my whole strategy is to reinvest. So whenever I'm getting any sort of dividends right now, because my focus is for long-term growth, I am reinvesting. I'm not taking out any money from my investment account. I'm just reinvesting, trying to accumulate more money, so that in few years it will grow faster and faster, and I will make way more returns every monthly basis. So after this, the second activity is like there is also a recurring deposit, like the account fee that I have subscribed to. So this is just like $11. So I have deposited $11 under my Wealthsimple, and on May 8th, there we can see some good activities. So I purchased some Google share. Because of the tariff situation, I found a very good deal for the Google stock. So here you can see my Google stock. I bought like 3 shares at the price of 153,866. So right now, for let's see like what's the current price of Google stocks. All right, so now it's 168. So just less than a month, my investment has already grown, because I bought at a lower price and now it's up. Because of the tariff situation, sometimes I'm getting really good deals, so that's why I am just adding more and more shares under my positions, because I believe this sort of company like Google, Microsoft, Nvidia, all these tech stocks gonna boom with this AI revolution. So that's why I am very much invested under these big tech companies. So the thing is like we always have to find a good deal. So whenever there's a sell off, we should buy more and more if we follow Warren Buffett's suggestion. So that's what I did. So I bought some Google shares, and as I'm in Canada, so if I need to buy some US stock, first I need to do the conversion, which I did in here. So beside this, on May 8, I bought some other shares too, that is Dollarama. I really believe in this company. Dollarama is a pretty popular company in Canada. So Dollarama, this one. So here, if we see the 5 years growth of Dollarama, which is insane, it's like in 5 years it has grown by 287.24%. It's like a crazy amount of growth, almost like 300% return. So if you have invested $10,000 5 years ago under Dollarama, now you would have almost like 28 or $29,000, which is crazy. So that's Dollarama. So right now I'm holding near around $9,148,000 of shares, like 53 shares, and it has made good return for me so far. So it's up by 39.57%, almost 40% return I already generated from my initial investment. And my from my studies, from my research, I am pretty confident that this share is gonna go up. So that's why I'm gonna purchase more and more of Dollarama shares. That's what I did in here. And after that, I also got some nice dividends from VDY. So VDY is dividend ETFs. So on May 8, I got $31 of dividends under my TFSA, and $41.15 of dividends under my non-registered personal account. So in total, I got $73 of dividends on made from VDY, and which I have reinvested here. If you can see, I have reinvested again under this VDI stocks. That's the whole strategy for me right now. And then I also got some dividends from Dollarama, which is like $5, which I also reinvested there. So on May 15th, I also got nice dividends. So whenever some dividends or free money is hitting my account, it makes me really happy, because now I have done my part. I have done my investment, and it's paying me money, which I am investing so that it can grow way more and more. And in few years, 10 or 15 years, if this sort of growth continues, then I'll be a good position. On May 15th, I have received $43 of dividends from my EIT investment, and I have reinvested again. Here you can see the dividend invested. So that's good. Like every month I'm getting this almost $43 $44 of dividends, which I'm reinvesting, and that's why my account is growing way faster if we accumulate all of these dividends and reinvestments. And I also got some dividend from Apple stocks. Apple is more of a growth stock. It doesn't pay that much of dividend, but still some dollars here and there always helps to grow my account. So I also did the reinvestment of the Apple dividends that I got. So here again I got some more dividends from Apple, which I reinvested on May 16th 2025. And yesterday there are some cryptocurrencies. So as I already showed you that I hold multiple cryptocurrencies, like a very small amount of cryptocurrency here and there. So this is one of the cryptocurrencies that Simple did the market sell. Maybe it's delisted, but that's not a problem. It's not that much. It's just 65 cents. But I just took some risk in there. But guess what? If you really want to grow your account, you have to take some risk for a very big returns. Congratulations guys for reaching this far of today's video. So today I have showed you how much money I made from my $175,000 of stock portfolio in 1 month. What's my activities, which share I bought, and how much dividend I'm getting. And now you have a better understanding, like if you build a portfolio like this, then how much money you can make passively from your initial investment. So now let's talk about some of the strategies that I'm going to follow from the upcoming months. Well, at this point, I feel like My strategy is all about just holding all of my stocks, and beside that, I have created a watch list. So I studied and found some very specific stocks that I feel like it has the potential to go up and up in future. So I am actively monitoring these stocks from my watch list, and when I'm getting some discounted prices like I did for the Google stocks, I am buying some more of those companies. So basically, that's a strategy right now. I will try to actively monitor the market and buy some more of these high growth stocks. And the thing is that now what I'm doing every month when I'm getting my paycheck, I am allocating or budgeting some amount that I will invest under my investment account, because if we don't actively invest our money, then it's very hard to grow our money, because the goal is that now I'll push myself to invest more and more. Maybe it gonna feel a little bit boring that all the money that I'm getting from my job, I'm just investing, I'm not spending it for some other cause, for some lifestyle upgrade. But guess what, if I do it right now and hold it for the next 5 or 10 years, and continue this effort, I am pretty sure after 10 years all this investment gonna pay off, and then every monthly basis I will get way more returns, and I can think of doing the stuff that I really want to do. I will have my free time, I'll reach my financial goal. So if financial freedom is your ultimate goal, then you should also do the same. Because if you invest early in your life, so right now I'm like 30 years old, so I am trying my best to invest another 10 years of my money under stock market. So when I reach 40, then I will be a little bit relaxed. By 40, I am pretty confident my portfolio gonna reach almost like $1 million, and then at that point the gains that I'm gonna make monthly basis will be huge, and then I can do whatever I feel like in my life. I don't have to feel the obligation that I have to work, I have to do the 9 to 5 stuff like that. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos. If you guys have any questions or any doubts related to your investment journey, let me know under this comment section, and I'm gonna reply you in a very short period of time. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see my upcoming contents. Well, that's all for today. Have a great and wonderful day.